Hi guys! It's me again, Mariel Grandesa, at ang tutorial natin ay tungkol pa rin sa PSAHelpline.ph. No, marami nagtatanong kung kailan po ang delivery kapag umorder ka sa kanila, no? Ayan, babasahin po natin, no? Ito, kung nakikita nyo, we deliver nationwide, 3 to 4 working days within Metro Manila, 7 to 8 working days outside Metro Manila. So, bukod pa dito ay makaka-receive kayo ng email sa inyong email address kasi yung mga nagre-request po ay hinihinga nila ng email address, no? Bukod pa dito, i-check dito, check status. 10 digits reference number po, yan po ay manggagaling at ibibigay po sa inyo kapag natapos nyo po yung process ng pag-request nyo ng PSA, no? Para makapagbayad kayo at pag nakapagbayad na po kayo, pwede nyo po i-check yung status kung paid na po kayo at darating din po yung time na pag chinek nyo yung status nyo dito sa order nyo ay nakalagay na po na i-deliver nila. So, ito yung reference number ng order natin. Click natin itong check status. Ayan. Ayan, di ba nakalagay? Your order was already released at the PSA. We will dispatch it to our courier and notify you as soon as it's on the way. Okay? Very reminders. For smooth delivery and the security of your documents, please present one signed valid original government-issued ID to the courier upon delivery. It is important that you are present during the delivery date to personally receive the requested PSA documents. In case you are not available on the day of delivery, please call us at 02-8737-1111, quit Monday to Saturday, excluding holidays, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to make delivery arrangements. Number 2, for unsuccessful delivery attempts, you may call us at 02-8737-1111, Monday to Saturday, excluding holidays, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may also reach us via email at help@PSAHelpline.ph or chat with us on Facebook at PSAHelpline.ph and we will check your concern. 3. All undelivered documents after 2 attempts shall be returned to the Philippine Statistics Authority PSA, parenthesis 30 calendar days, and payments made for the documents shall be forfeited. You may place a new order by visiting our website at PSAHelpline.ph. Para sa mga maraming questions sa isipan, ayan, para masagot kayo, no? Ito yung updated na nandito sa kanilang website. Can you deliver anywhere in the Philippines? We have a nationwide delivery service, but there are some remote areas that are outside of our delivery coverage. So, hindi po lahat na dideliveran, no? Okay, yan, no? Naintindihan nyo naman. Why can't you deliver outside the Philippines? Our delivery partnership is currently set for local distribution. So, pang Pilipinas lang po, no? Wala pong pang ibang bansa, okay? But we are working on expanding our reach to areas outside the country. Okay? Yan na, narinig nyo, ha? At nababasa nyo po. How long will it take you to deliver my document? The delivery of your document is based on your delivery address. For Metro Manila, the document will be delivered within 3 to 4 working days. For provincial, the document will be delivered within 7 to 8 working days. What do I need to prepare for delivery? For smooth delivery and the security of your documents, please present one signed valid original government-issued ID to the courier upon delivery. It is important that you are present during the delivery date to personally receive the requested PSA documents. In case you are not available on the day of delivery, please call us at parenthesis 02-8737-1111 Monday to Saturday, excluding holidays, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to make delivery arrangements. What are the valid IDs accepted for PSAHelpline.ph as a delivery requirement? Please see the list of acceptable IDs below. Philippine passport issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, parenthesis, driver's license issued by the Land Transportation Office, LTO, Professional Regulations Commission, PRCID, Integrated Bar of the Philippines, parenthesis IBP, ID, Government Service Insurance System, GSIS, parenthesis Unified Multipurpose ID, E-Card, Social Security System, SSS, Unified Multipurpose ID, Voters ID issued by the Commission on Elections, COMELEC, Postal ID issued by the Philippine Postal Corporation, PhilPost, Senior Citizens ID card issued by the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs, OSCA, and or local government units, LGUs, OFW IDs issued by the Department of Labor and Employment, DOLE, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, OWA ID, Seaman's Seawoman's Book issued by the Maritime Industry Authority, MARINA, National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, clearance, Philippine National Police, PNP, ID Police Clearance, Barangay ID Certification with picture and signature, IDs issued by the national government offices, example is AFP, DAR, DENR, DOH, DOJ, including government-owned and controlled corporations, GOCCs, tax identification card, TIN, with a picture and signature issued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, New PhilHealth ID, FBC type, and green cardboard type. How can I check the delivery status of my document? You may call us at parenthesis 028737-1111, Mondays to Saturdays excluding holidays, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may also send us an email at help@PSAHelpline.ph and we would be glad to assist you. Ano po, may natutunan po kayo sa aking tutorial. So this is third part of my blog.